Hey, what's up, people? Welcome back to another lesson of Microsoft Word 2019 tutorial. This is lesson 4, and in this lesson, we are going to learn how to save a document. In previous lessons, we learned how to create a new document, a blank document. And another important thing is actually saving that document so you can access that file later on if you want to use it or edit it. There are a couple of ways to save a document. The first one we are going to talk about is save as command. You can use a copy of your document in a new folder or in a different location, different folder using save as command. Let's click on file. The fifth one is save as. Let's click on it. And it gives you a couple of options. If you're saving your document for the first time, you can click on save button on your quick access menu. The first option is recent. So it shows the recent places, the recent locations that you used to save your documents. The next one is OneDrive. By choosing this one, you can upload your documents on the internet. For using this option, you need to have a OneDrive account. If you save your document on OneDrive, you can access this file later on from any other devices that you have from anywhere in the world. The next option is this PC. It gives you a default locations you can save your document in, or the recent ones, the recent locations you use to save your documents. So by clicking on it, it opens a dialog box that has the location address of where you're going to save this file. The next one is add a place. This one gives you the option to pick an online place you're going to save your document in, or you can add a new online location. The next one is browse. The short key for this is F12 button on your keyboard. Using any of these methods we used to use save as, they give you the same dialog box at the end. First thing first, you need to pick a folder. So we picked the folder, now the file name. You need to give your file a name. Now we have picked the location, we have picked the file name. Now we can pick a format that we are going to save our document with. Save as type menu. This menu gives you the different formats you can use to save your document with. As you can see, the first one on this menu is Word document with the prefix docx, and this is the default prefix to save your documents. Docx was introduced for the first time in Microsoft Word 2007, and it has been upgraded since and later releases. Keep in mind that the older versions, older than 2007 version, they do not support this format. Just to recap what we learned today, we learned how to save a Microsoft Word document in a location that we want, give it the name we want, and pick a format. Well, today we talked about the default format, docx format. But in the next lesson, we are going to talk about different formats you can use to save your Microsoft document. Okay, this is the end of our lesson. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and click on the bell button so you'll be notified as soon as we drop a new video. And if you would like to check the next video, you can see it on the right hand side and the previous lesson on the left hand side. Stay tuned, people. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure you check the next lesson because we are going to talk about different formats we can use to save our Microsoft Word document. Peace.